Alright, so we are going to do the notes for this week in social studies. It's called Improving Navigation. Make sure you cut and paste the title and the notes. If you haven't done so, go ahead and pause it and do that and then pick up when you are ready. Alright, let's start. So these are going to be ways that navigation or sailing was improved during the age of exploration, the 1500s, 1600s, 1400s, and this made sailing safer and faster and made exploration of the world by boat possible. Alright, the Astrolabe. This tool came from Arab traders. So people from the Arab lands of the Middle East traded this with the Europeans. The Astrolabe measured the height of the stars in the sky. So from the ground, from the surface, it would measure the height, how high up in the sky it was, and that would help determine the location. Sailors used it with a star chart to find the latitude of the ship, the ship's latitude. Remember that latitude is referring to those imaginary lines that run east and west around the globe. The equator is the most important line of latitude that we refer to. The orienteering compass. This tool was invented by the Chinese. The orienteering compass showed the direction of travel. All right, the Sextant. In 1759, someone named John Bird invented the sextant. It measured the angles of the stars in the sky. Sailors use this information to measure a ship's longitude. Right, remember longitude, that refers to the imaginary lines that run north and south around the globe from pole to pole. And the most important line of longitude is the prime meridian that separates the globe into the eastern and western hemispheres. All right. Stern rudder. I say that very German like Stern. Okay. Stern rudder. This tool came from the Chinese. The stern rudder controlled the direction of the ship. So it was used for steering. They made steering much easier. All right, the Caravel. This was a type of ship. It was invented by the Portuguese. The Portuguese are, Portugal's a nation in Europe, and among all the European countries, Portugal was really the pioneer of exploration. They started the process. They were the first ones to get out there and go places during the age of exploration. The Caravel's many sails allowed it to catch more wind, which means that it was able to travel faster. It had more wind behind the sails, so the boat would go faster. Caravels also had more room for cargo. When we say cargo, we're referring to all the items that could be on a ship. It could be materials, things that are made for trading. It also can refer to the people or animals that were on the ship. So basically all the stuff the ship is carrying is cargo. So more room for cargo and flatter bottoms. Okay, so I'm going to play a little bit of a game right now. So I'm not going to write anything here. And what I'm doing is I am trying to see who is actually watching the videos and who is just sort of skipping around and filling in. So if you've watched my video all the way here, then you know what to write here. And it does want you to draw a picture. I want you to just write the word Caravel. So you're going to write C-A-R-A-V-E-L. And when I get that, I'm going to know that you watched my video in its entirety. And there'll be a little prize for you for doing so. All right, make sure your names are on these. Put these in the basket. And that's it.